Hi, welcome back to Food Travel Shopping Channel, and you're watching Restaurant Remake. Today I am going to show you how to make a Manhattan Clam Chowder. It's one of my wife's favorite soup. So let's get started. Okay, so here are the ingredients to make our Manhattan Clam Chowder. Okay, so I'm using my 26 centimeter Le Creuset, and this is 5.5 quarts. And I'm gonna use this to do my Manhattan Clam Chowder. So first of all, in this clam chowder, we're gonna cook our bacon. We're gonna render out some of our bacon fat first, using a medium heat. Okay, the bacon will release all the oil, and we wanna render out the fat, so you don't need to add any oil to kind of sear the bacon here. Alright, so as you can see, the bacon start to turn brown. Alright, so this is where we want to take it out. Alright, so lower the heat to medium heat. Alright, so we're going to add in our carrots. Celery. And our sweet onions. Okay, at this time you want to add a little bit salt. Half a teaspoon. Season with black pepper. Okay, stir it around. Alright, cook this down for 4 minutes until the onion is translucent. I'm going to season it with a little bit more black pepper because I know my wife likes a lot of black pepper in her soup. So I'm just gonna season it a little bit more. I'm gonna add in my minced garlic right now. Cook it for another minute. Alright, I'm gonna add my bacon pieces back in. Now I'm gonna add the herbs back in. I'm gonna add the herbs. So I have my celery seed. I have some fresh thyme. Okay, I have 2 bay leaf. I'm gonna add in my crushed tomato right now. Alright, I like to use some water to rinse out my bowl. Okay, now we're gonna add in our clam juice. Finally, I'm going to add my potatoes in. I'm going to give it a good stir. Alright, we're going to bring it to a boil. Alright, once we bring it to a boil, we're going to cover our lid. I'm just going to give it a quick stir. And we're going to lower our heat to a constant simmer, so like a medium-low heat. And we're going to cook this for 30 minutes. Okay, so after 30 minutes of slow cooking our soup, now we're gonna add in our clam. Alright, so let me give it a stir here. Okay, looks good. All right, we're gonna add in our clam. And at the same time, we're gonna add in our fresh clams into our soup. All right, so we're gonna close this up and let it cook for 5 minutes until the clam opens up. All right, so after 4 to 5 minutes, let's open up our pot. Okay, let's see if our clam has opened up here. All right, so some of the clams still not open up yet. Some of them open up. All right, so give it a good stir. All right, so I'm gonna cover up another minute or two. All right, so let's do another minute. All right, most of our clam is open, so that's good. All right, I'm just gonna remove the bay leaf here. All right, depending on how spicy you want the soup, you can add the tabasco or you don't have to add the tabasco. I'm gonna add 2 drops here. So give it a good stir. So if you want a good kick out of the soup, then you might want to do 5 drops. But it's always good to add a little bit more later if that is something that you wanted to do. All right, so we're ready for our taste test. All right, let's serve it. Ooh, nice and steamy. All right, this is a great soup to have during the winter months. Look at these clams. Look at the soup. Wow, this is wonderful. Okay, so now it's time for our taste test. This is the Manhattan Clam Chowder. Okay. Oh, really hot. I love how clam, like really clammy. I don't know if there's such a word, but like you can really taste the clam in here. So, and the bowl is really hot. I love how the fresh clam is incorporated. So usually when you go out for a restaurant, you might not have any fresh clam in a Manhattan Clam Chowder. I love how I put in the fresh clam. Really, made this dish a little bit more elegant. And you can taste a little bit spicy because of the tabasco. Not too much, just like a slight kick. If you want a little bit more of a kick, I would suggest you put like a drop into each bowl of soup. So then that would give it a little bit more kick. But overall, I really enjoy this bowl of Manhattan Clam Chowder. And I hope that I will get my approval from my wife as well, because she's a soup expert. Thanks for watching another great episode of Restaurant Remake. If you have not yet subscribed to our food travel shopping channel, hit that subscribe button for me as well as the bell notification for our latest video and update. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for our next video